Well, here we are again. I'm just going to show you the quarter panel. A 36 grit Velcro 8 by no hole. We're going to chisel this off really fast. You just got to move the machine really fast on an angle. Watch this. But every time you go back and forth, you want to hold the machine just a little bit on a tilt like that, then drag it back, then go forward again, just a little bit on an angle. If you're going to hold it flat, you're going to be kind of not getting anywhere. So you just kind of chisel it a little bit, like not too much of an angle, because you're going to really kind of you're not going to do too good if you do that. Just go on an angle, guys. That for a long time. Move it back. Get load of Bondo in there, so I'm going to dig this out a little bit more, and I'm going to leave some of the Bondo so you're going to see all the Bondo. That's Bondo there, big chisel. I can see it's all Bondo. So I'll put a new one on here quick. I'll do it on video quick. Watch this. There's a big chunk of Bondo. That's not the white paint underneath. It's going to get really white here. Watch this. Well, there's a lot of Bondo on there, guys. So we're going to do some reconstruction on this puppy too, but here we go. Goes pretty fast.